Court victory today for Governor Ron DeSantis and Republicans in their rewrite of election laws. A panel of appeal court judges put back in place a 2021 law that was challenged as voter suppression. Western News political reporter Greg Fox explains the decision and what this means for voters.
Just more than 3 months out from the August primary election, voters are now trying to figure out the latest ruling from a court that may affect how they cast ballots. In throwing out most of last year's election law changes from Governor Ron DeSantis and Republican lawmakers, District Judge Mark Walker said Florida has a grotesque history of racial discrimination. The governor's appeal was heard by a panel of 3 Trump-appointed judges at the 11th Circuit, led by former Supreme Court Justice from Florida, Barbara Lagoa. The panel found the lower court judge's comments to be problematic and further ruled the good faith of the state legislature must be presumed in writing election law. The decision means the law is back in place while the plaintiff, the League of Women Voters, prepares for a new court battle.
There's a pattern of behavior.
League President Cecile Schoon says that pattern is one of voter suppression at the hands of the governor and Republican leaders.
You just can look at what's going on and you can see for yourself that there's been an intent to diminish the power of African American voters.
One of the provisions of the 2021 law limits the number of hours to early voting hours and when elections offices are open for you to be able to drop off your mail ballot. Besides the drop box restrictions, the league challenged a provision that required third-party voter groups to return registrations to the county in which the voter lived. And it questioned a provision that prohibits solicitation of voters within 150 feet of a drop box or polling place. Orange County Supervisor of Elections Bill Cowles is hoping to ease voter confusion and concerns. He's sending out mailings to ensure people know their registration, status, races, and candidates.
And each supervisor will make sure the voters know where to vote, how to vote, and make it a good experience for the voter.
Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.